welcome to episode 2 of my baking show. Today we are making homemade blueberry muffins. In the mixing bowl we have 1 1/2 cup of flour, 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of milk or more as needed, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 small packet of fresh blueberries. In a separate bowl for the crumb topping, we have 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup butter cube, 1 1/2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Mix your crumb topping until crumbly. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Pour your oil in your mixing bowl. Crack your egg into 1 cup. In the same cup as the egg, add the milk to the top. Mix your wet ingredients with the mixer. Whisk your dry ingredients in your mixing bowl like this. Put your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients and mix. Add your blueberries to your mixing bowl. Prepare your muffin pan to the way you prefer. Add your crumb topping to each muffin. Your muffin for 20 or 25 minutes in the oven. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheers!